Getting approved for US business bank credit card is actually a pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can get approved for US business bank credit card. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google here now. Here, I'm just going to search for apply for US bank credit card. And after searching for that, I will easily be able to apply for credit card by going to this website. Now, in this website, you will see different types of credit card. You just have to search the right one according to you. So suppose you want this cashback account or cashback credit card, you just have to go to that and you just have to click on the apply now. Now, in the apply, after clicking on apply now, what they will do is they will do a credibility check. So you just have to identify the credibility check. What they will check is they will check your previous spendings and all the things. If you are eligible to get this, uh, credit card or not. If you are, you will be accepted and you will be approved to get this credit card. If you're not, they will tell you your weakness that you have less spendings and these stuffs which you can improve afterwards. So that's how you'll be able to get approved for the credit card. If you want to do for the business one, just if you have a credit card and now you want to convert it to business one, you just have to call them and let them know that this is their phone number, which is 8005324019. Just have to call them and let them know that I want to upgrade to my business credit card, and they will let you know if you're eligible or not. If you are, they will do it automatically for you. If you're not, you won't be able to do that. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.